Hey guys, Miss Corbett here. I want to show you how to go ahead into your data views and find the way to add your picture so your teachers can see a name and a face and put that together. So in your login account, main screen, if you will go to links, underneath links, you'll find the spot that says data view. When you click your data view, I want you to scroll down and find the data view that says SCCA student profile. It will have your name next to it. Then it'll give you some basic information about yourself. And if you scroll down, you're going to see add file. That's where you're going to put the picture that you choose to share with your teachers. It should be a picture of you so we can get a name and a face together. Underneath, there'll be places for you to add any information that you'd like to share with us, from your favorite subject to your favorite foods, all kinds of cool information, and then make sure you press save. So again, from your main home account, when you open it, that home page, you're going to slide over to links. You're going to go down to data views, and from data view list, you're going to scroll to find SCCA student profile. It should have your name, your birthday, me as your homeroom, and then the place for the picture is underneath add file, and you'll select the picture you want to share. I'm so looking forward to putting faces and names together. Thanks so much, and I hope this is helpful for you.